right, check this out, my friends. Here's another one, 2 caps set that we had done for a customer. This is 10K gold, solid gold, nicely iced with real diamonds. Check that out. These are not CZs. These are actual, real, natural, from the earth diamonds. Look how they shine. Real nice. Real nice. So, available on our website, blingcartel.com. Here's the back side. You got your 10K stamp, okay, on the back. It's real gold, real solid gold, real diamonds. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. We've been doing this for a minute, and you get custom handmade work straight from your keyboard or your smartphone. Order online, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.